Hello everyone. We are from Newton School. This is Ravi. The Newton School is all about two new exciting tech career for a zero upfront fees. We have specially designed a program to make sure that we empower our students to get quality education and we do not get paid until you do. And Newton School aspires to provide the most relevant, affordable education that is synced with an industry standards. That its students are easily observed and can contribute towards an organization successfully. This is all about Newton School. We are starting a Python course from Newton School. Let's get into Python crash course from Newton School. Today's we are starting a episode 1 of Python crash course. Today's our agenda. Today's our agenda is history of Python programming, introduction to Python programming, uses of Python programming, advantages, disadvantages of Python programming. Let's get into topic. Firstly, we will discuss about history of Python program. History. History of Python program. Python was conveyed in late 1980s by Guido van Rossum at CWI in Netherlands. It was initially designed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. It was mainly developed for emphasis on code reliability, and its synthetic and syntax allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code. Next, the fact of getting the name of Python. When the Guido van Rossum was reading the script of popular BBC comedy series Monty Python Flying Circus, it was a late on air 1970s. Vanu Rusum wanted to select a name which unique, short and little bit mysterious, so he decided to select name Python after Monty Python's Flying Circus for their newly created programming language. Capability to provide classes with inheritance several core data types, exception handling, and functions. Next, let's get into introduction of Python. We have seen the history of Python from late 1980s to now. Let's get into introduction. Introduction. Python is widely used general purpose high level programming language, and it was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and further developed by Python Software Foundation. Two major Python versions, Python 2 and 3, both are quite different. Python works on different platforms like Mac, Windows, Raspberry Pi, Linux. Python has simple syntax similar to another languages. Python has syntax that allows developers to write program with fewer lines than some other programming language. Actually, Python, what can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. And Python has recent version of Python 3, which we shall be using in the Python 2, although now being updated with another than security updates. It's still quite popular. Python syntax compared to another programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to English language with influence from mathematics. Python relies on indentation using white spaces to define scope, such as scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets from the purpose. And we have seen the introduction of Python programming is the one side. And what is the uses of Python programming? We want to see it. Let's get into uses of Python programming. Uses of Python programming. It is used in web development, software development, game development, AI and ML, data analytics, business applications. Web development. It has a web frames, Django and Pyramid. And let AI ML. Python is such a stable, flexible, and simple programming language. It's perfect for various machine learning and artificial intelligence projects. In fact, Python is among the favorite languages among the data scientists. And one of the major one, Python is used in high level languages. It's the topmost language in the world now. And Python is used in data analytics and data visualization. And it is also used in game development and language development. And programming applications. The general purpose language can be used to read and create file dictionaries, create GUIs and APIs, and more. Data visualization. Data visualization is another popular and developing area of interest, as well as its flexibility and facts and its open source. Python provides a variety of graphic libraries with all kinds of features. These are all the uses of Python programming. We want to develop some major applications like ERP as a major application for business. It is the uses of business applications of Python programming. Next, get into advantages and disadvantages of Python programming. Now get into advantages. Advantages. Advantages are easy to learn, lesser coding, flexible, provide support for IoT, less than consuming, extensive libraries, free and open source, enterprise applications, uses in web development, scientific and numeric application, server-side scripting. We want to deeper into advantages of Python program. Easy to read, write and learn. Python is a high-level programming language that has English-like syntax. This makes it easier to read and understand the code. Python is really easy to pick up and learn. That is why a lot of people recommend the Python as a beginner to the crash course. That's we are getting into Python as a crash course of our Newton School. Beginner to learn easily for a Python crash. Next, advantage improved productivity. Python is a very productive language due to simplicity of Python. Developers can be focused on solving the problem. They do not need to spend more time in one problem. The syntax or behavior of programming language, you write less code and get more things done by small amount of time. Next, interpreted language. Yes, Python is an interpreted language, which means that Python directly executes the code line by line. In case of any error, it stops further execution and report back the error which has occurred. Python shows only one error even if the program has multiple errors. This makes debugging easier. Dynamically typed. Python does not know the type of variables until we run the code. It automatically assigns the data types during execution. The programming does not need to worry about declaring variables and their data types. And next, get into vast library support. The standard libraries of Python is huge amount of languages. You can find almost all the functions needed for your tasks, so you do not have to depend on external libraries. But even if you do, a Python package manager pip makes things easier to import other great package from Python package index. It consists of among 2 lakhs packages. And portability. In many languages like C or C++, you need to change your code to run the program on different platforms. That is not the same with Python. You only write once and run it anywhere. However, you should be careful not to include any system dependent features. This is portability. And we have some disadvantages in Python programming. When we have advantages, we have some of the disadvantages. We want to take it. Disadvantages. There is a speed, not support for mobile computing, browser limitations, design limitations, less developed database layer. Yeah. Firstly, what is the speed? It has slow speed actually. We discussed about the Python. Is an interpreted language and dynamically typable language. The line-by-line execution of code often lead to slow execution. The dynamic nature of Python is also responsible for the slow speed of Python because it has to do the extra work while executing the code. So Python is not used for purpose where speed is an important aspect of project, not memory efficient. Second disadvantages. We get into second disadvantage. To provide simplicity to the developer, Python has to do a little trade-off. Python programming language use a large amount of data. This can be big disadvantage while building an application when we prefer memory optimization. And another disadvantage is weak in cloud mobile computing. Mobile computing. It's not a cloud, it's a mobile computing, not support for mobile computing. Python is generally used in server-side programming. We do not get to see Python on the client side or mobile application because of following reasons. Python is not necessary and it has slow processing power as compared to other languages. And Python has not memory efficient. And next, database access. Python programming is easy and stress-free, but when we are interacting with the database, it lags behind. The Python's database access layer primitive and underdeveloped in comparison to the popular technologies like JDBC and ODBC. Huge enterprise need smooth interaction of complex legacy data and Python is thus rarely used in enterprises. And we have a major error, runtime error. It is a major disadvantages in Python. As we know, Python is dynamically typed language, so the data type of variable can change anytime. A variable contain integer number may hold a string in the future, which can lead to runtime error. Therefore, Python programming need to perform through testing of applications. Python is simple, versatile, and complete programming language. It is a great choice to take as a beginner. Python is having advantages, great advantages, and some of the disadvantages. As a Python is good language to take as a beginner, and Python has a simple syntax, and Python is good to take as a beginner. And we are giving the Python crash course from Newton School. Newton School provides a free crash course in Python by today. We are starting the today's episode 1 of Python crash course. We discuss about introduction of Python programming, history of Python programming, uses of Python programming, advantages and disadvantages of Python programming. We the advantages of Python programming and disadvantages of Python programming. We can contribute more number of programming skills with the Newton School. Let's do subscribe, share and like for the video from the Newton School. We refer the Newton School as a great opportunity for me to combine together to learn to collaborate with the Newton School. Please do like, share and subscribe for the Newton School. Have a good day. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe, like, share and Newton School.